Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax. I want to give you all a recap on one of my favorite boats that we have here in inventory. This is a model year 23 leftover Bennington. It's a 24 LX, guys. It's a beautiful boat. It's got the smoky granite exterior throughout the whole boat. Phenomenal boat, guys. This particular boat is powered with the Mercury 200 V6. Plenty of power. If you look at the back, you'll see that this boat has the extended deck. It's also got the fastback option, which has the speakers right here. This allows you to listen to music when you're hanging out, pulling a water skier, tubing, all that good stuff. And the grill also lights up, guys, as part of that RGB lighting as well. So the boat looks phenomenal at night. Let's step aboard and take a look at the interior. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 24 LX that we've got. This is the swingback edition, guys. Beautiful boat. Want to point out that this has the diamond press double stitched upholstery throughout the whole boat. It's got the 20% cutout with cup holders in it. You've also got these portable cup holders that can move throughout the whole boat. Again, guys, plenty of storage underneath all your seats for all your gear. Taking a look at the swingback, guys. This does flip forwards and backwards. And this is also the deluxe swingback, so it lays all the way down to turn this into a giant bed. Taking a look at the helm, you'll notice that it does have the raised helm. Gives you a little more visibility. Also, we've got the Simrad. This is NEMA connected to your engine for all your performance specs. All your chrome accents on your switches here. And you've got the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. Guys, what a phenomenal boat. We just reduced the pricing on it. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a great day.